We have learned the triangle law of addition of two vectors. We will make use of this law in order to resolve a given vector in the direction of two other vectors. First of all, consider there are two vectors, say A and B. Vector A and vector B. Be any two vectors which are non-zero. Vector should be non-zero. In a plane, there would be a plane. Suppose that it is the plane of the paper. The two vectors are given. There may be in any direction. Suppose this is A vector in this direction, and suppose that this is B vector in this direction, but both vector lies on the same plane, say plane of the copy or paper. Now consider another vector. Let another vector A lies on the सेम प्लेन, उसी प्लेन पर ए वेक्टर भी है सेम प्लेन पर. नाउ वी हैव टू रिजॉल्व दिस ए वेक्टर. से दिस इज द वेक्टर ए. OP is the given vector A. Now we want to resolve this vector OP in the components which are parallel to A vector and parallel to B vector. A single vector can be resolved, can be split into two other components which are parallel to, one component will be parallel to A, another component will be parallel to B. So for this purpose we have to draw a vector parallel to A vector. First of all, you may draw a line parallel to A. Just parallel to A, you have to draw a line. Draw a line which is parallel to A, starting from O. O is the trail of the given vector A. And now, starting from P, draw another parallel line which is parallel to B vector. Parallel to B vector, draw this line. Let them intersect at a point, say Q. Now put arrow O to Q and then from Q to P. See here, this vector OA, this is another vector which is parallel to A. Suppose that it is n times of A, and this QP vector is parallel to B vector. Suppose it is m times of B. N and m may be any number, real number. Now you see here OQ and QP. The sum of these two will be equal to OP according to triangle law of addition of two vectors. If you add OQ and QP, it will be equal to OP. So here OP is equal to OQ plus QP, Q to P vector. OP is our vector taken A, and this NA plus M into B. Now this vector is resolved into two components parallel to A and B. One component, this NA, is parallel to A and MB is parallel to B. In this way we can resolve the two vectors in the given directions.